Hello, and welcome to KineMaster Quick Tips. Today, we're going to be learning about cropping, which may be called crop and pan in future versions of KineMaster. This tool allows you to, crop to size down an image and pan to move around within an image. Let's tap this video we just recorded and then tap cropping. On the right, you can see there are two thumbnail windows, one that represents the first frame of our video and another one that represents the last frame of our video. If equals has been turned on, then the first and last frames will have the same cropping. In other words, we will get a normal static crop. Let's press play. If the equals option has been turned off, you can set the start and ending positions independently, and KineMaster will then pan and zoom linearly between these positions. Like this. Thank you for watching KineMaster Quick Tips. If you have any questions, drop us a line in the comments. And remember, as always, this video was made with KineMaster.